Have you ever looked in the mirror and imagined your skin glowing like a soft morning cloud, calm, clear, and bright like sunlight peeking through sheer curtains? That dreamy glow, what so many call glass skin, isn't just a trend. It's a ritual, a rhythm of care and gentleness, and you don't need to spend a fortune to achieve it. Today, I'll be guiding you through one of the oldest and most trusted skincare secrets from Korea rice. Yes, the same ingredient that sits in your kitchen can become your skin's best friend. We're going to unlock its beauty magic together, and I'll walk you through every step softly, slowly, and intentionally. In ancient Korean beauty traditions, rice wasn't just food. It was a symbol of purity, nourishment, and renewal. Women would soak rice in water and use the milky liquid to bathe their skin, noticing how it brightened and softened with time. So what makes rice so special? Rice contains natural antioxidants that fight signs of aging. It's rich in amino acids and vitamins, especially vitamin B and E, which repair damaged skin, fade dark spots, and improve elasticity. It hydrates dry skin while controlling excess oil. And it strengthens your skin barrier, protecting your face from pollution, sun, and breakouts. Think of it as your skin's daily dose of calmness. Quiet care in every drop. Let's start with the most gentle step, rice water toner. To make this, simply rinse a small bowl of uncooked rice with clean water. Then soak it again in fresh water for 30 minutes to an hour. Soon, the water turns cloudy. That's the magic. Strain it, store it in a small bottle, and keep it in the fridge for up to 5 days. This becomes your natural toner, filled with brightening and calming nutrients. Apply it morning and evening after cleansing your face. Use your hands or a soft pad and gently pat it in. It helps soothe acne, reduce redness, even out skin tone, and leaves your face feeling fresh like morning dew. Next, the rice serum. If rice water is gentle hydration, the serum is like a deeper layer of nourishment. You can either use a store-bought Korean rice serum like the I'm From or Beauty of Joseon ones, or make a simple version at home. To make it naturally, let your rice water ferment slightly for 24 to 48 hours in a sealed jar. Add a drop of glycerin or aloe vera gel and mix. This enhances its hydration power while keeping it lightweight. Apply the serum on slightly damp skin. Let it sink in, like skin drinking water. It helps reduce texture, fades dark spots, and gives that radiant, healthy glow from the inside. Now let's talk masks, your skin's weekly spa. Dry skin? Make a soothing mask with rice flour, a spoon of yogurt, and a touch of honey. The yogurt hydrates deeply, while honey adds glow and softness. The rice flour acts as a gentle exfoliator and brightener. Apply it on clean skin. Leave it for 10 to 15 minutes, and rinse with lukewarm water. Afterwards, your face will feel creamy, smooth, and calm, like it's been hugged. Oily or acne-prone skin? There's a version for you too. Mix rice flour with chilled green tea and aloe vera gel. This mask helps control oil, calm redness, and clear out pores, all while giving your skin that soft, non-greasy finish. It doesn't strip your skin. It just brings balance. Apply it 2 to 3 times a week, and your skin will slowly feel more refreshed and less irritated. This step feels like a morning spa moment. The rice water ice cube ritual. Freeze your leftover rice water in an ice tray. Once solid, wrap 1 cube in a thin cloth or glide gently over your face. It tightens pores, brightens dull skin, and wakes you up instantly. Perfect for puffy mornings or tired evenings. It's cool, refreshing, and a little addictive. If you're wondering how to fit this all into your week, here's a soft guide. Use the rice water toner every morning and night. Apply the rice serum daily after toning. Alternate between the masks, 1 day for moisture, 1 day for clarity, and on days your skin feels dull, do the ice ritual. Each step only takes a few moments, but those moments are yours. It's not about rushing through products, it's about slowing down, feeling every drop, and letting your skin rest. You don't need luxury creams or glass bottles to feel beautiful. Sometimes, what your skin truly needs is simplicity, tradition, and care. Rice offers that quietly, gently, and beautifully. This week, let your skincare be a soft ritual. Let your mirror reflect not just clear skin but peace, confidence, and self-love. You deserve to feel radiant in your own skin. Thank you for being here with me. I'll be back soon with another soft ritual, but until then, stay glowing, stay gentle, and take care of your beautiful self.